make this easy on myself, I just braided my hair in 2 big braids going straight towards the back. Now I'm just taking some bobby pins and pinning my hair down, and then I'm going to start applying my cap. Now I'm just using the Got To Be Free spray to lay the lace down, or not the lace, but the stocking cap down to my forehead, or to my my edges, I guess. Some people don't do this. You don't have to, I guess. It's like optional. Like some people don't even use stocking caps, but for this method, I'm going to use it. And I'm just using my edges brush to flatten it out, and I'm going to go in and blow dry it. Now here I'm just applying the wig really quickly just to kind of get a feel for what it's going to look like and where I want my hairline to be. And I'm also going to use an eyeliner marker to kind of just mark out where I'm going to be cutting my cap at. Also, by the way, the wig that I'm installing today was sent to me from a company called Julia Hair. All of the information for this hair will be in the description box below. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. And now I'm just going in with my L'Oreal True Match powder. This is just some old powder that I had laying around. And I'm just going to color my stocking cap just so it's like a similar color to my skin tone. Now I'm just going to reapply my wig again just so I can get a feel for how much more of my stocking cap is visible underneath my lace. And then that's going to be the remaining cap that I go through and cut. So I'm basically just going to be cleaning up my hairline. Now I'm just double checking to make sure everything looks okay and that there isn't any more visible stocking cap. Then I'm just going to go ahead and get ready to glue down this wig. And finally, we are done with the annoying part of installing a wig, and now we get to jump into the fun part, which is the styling part. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, when I first took this hair down, I honestly got nervous because it slick made me look like Frederick Douglass. But after like messing with it some, I got it looking how I need it to be. It was just a little dry. The only thing that really bothered me is after doing all these swoops, I realized you can't even see them because they're blonde. They like blend in with my hairline and my complexion. So it's like I'm doing it for no reason. I kind of wish this wig had dark roots instead of light. I never had a wig with like light roots, but it was definitely different. It had to grow on me, but it wound up being cute. Y'all, my spirit wants me to cut this hair so bad to like a little bit of a shorter length, but I didn't in this video. But I don't know, next time you see me, this hair might be shorter because honestly, truly, I think it's just a little too long, but it's definitely cute. Overall, I really wound up loving this hair. At first, it caught me off guard because of the color, but it definitely grew on me. What I really liked about this hair, too, is the lace. Like, when it laid, it just looked so natural, and I didn't even pluck this hairline. Like, I didn't pluck it at all, and it just looks really, really good. So go ahead and check out this hair from Julia Hair. All the information on this hair will be in the description box below. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and adios till next time.